Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact. Then tap on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. When you finish, hit Done at the bottom. As you can see, all of my emergency contacts were successfully added. Make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is enabled in order for your contacts to be visible. You can also hold one of your contacts, and in order to delete it, click on Delete at the bottom. To add another one, just click on Add Emergency Contact and do exactly the same as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!